Hey, this is Jared, the occupational therapist. I wanted to come on and show you guys how to use this leg lifter. So this is a product that I use a lot in my practice and in general. This can be used to help an individual get in and out of the bed a little bit easier, or it can help someone move their leg a little bit easier by using a tool to assist them. So this is what it looks like. It has a handle on one side, and then on the other end, on the bottom, there's a steel metal bar right in here to give yourself some support. Also, you have two foam handles on this device as well, which helps to improve the comfort while you're using it to move your leg. Additionally, this is also very malleable or bendable, so that way you can bend it and move your leg if you need it to be a little bit shorter in length, or put it in the position that you need it to be in. So let's check out how to use this. So now to use this piece of equipment, you'll put it down on the ground like so, and then put your foot inside the bottom loop, the one that has the metal bar in there. What you'll do is you'll be on the bed. You can grab onto the handles either here, here, or here to help assist your leg get in the bed. Now, when you come back out of the bed, you can hold on to both handles again and then gently guide yourself back down. So if you're having difficulties with your leg, you want to put this on that side to help assist yourself get in and out of the bed or whatever area that you're in. Another benefit of this is when you are in the bed, using this device is also going to allow you to slowly bring your leg down at more of a controlled speed and rate, making it a little bit more comfortable and easier for you. Now, based upon your arm length, you might need to use this strap in this one instead of these two. It all depends upon how long your arms are, how long your legs are. And the other benefit of this too is that you can use this while wearing shoes as well. If you are wearing shoes with this, you can still put it around the base of your shoe, and because of this metal or steel plate here, it will give you enough support to guide your leg up and over what you need to. So now you can also use this to get up and over the threshold of a door. You can use this to get up and over the threshold of a shower. Really, any area that you need a little bit of extra assistance, this tool can help you with.